Have you ever wished your simple sketches could evolve into breathtaking works of art? Thanks to OpenAI's latest advancements, that dream is now a reality. In today's episode of Tech Vault Guide, we're diving into the world of AI-powered creativity, using Sora, a powerful image generation platform from OpenAI. We'll take two simple sketches and test how well Sora can transform them into stunning visuals, using different artistic styles. Let's get started. At the heart of this transformation is the power of AI. Sora uses OpenAI's advanced image generation models, giving you the ability to bring your ideas, prompts, or even hand-drawn sketches to life. Whether you're a digital artist, a beginner, or just curious, the process is simple, and the results are often jaw-dropping. Here's how you can do it using the free version of Sora. Step 1. Access Sora. Go to Sora.com and log in, or create a free account if you haven't already. Step 2. Upload your drawing. Click the plus icon to upload your sketch. This could be a scanned image, a phone photo of a hand-drawn sketch, or a digital drawing. Step 3. Write your prompt. Add a detailed prompt describing the artistic style and final look you want. For example, turn this into a vibrant cartoon-style illustration, or convert this into a realistic photo taken at sunset. Step 4. Generate and review. Hit Generate and let the AI do its work. In the free version, you'll get one result per prompt, but honestly, it's usually spot on. Step 5. Refine. Optional. Want a different version? Just tweak your prompt slightly and generate again. Each result can surprise you. Let's begin with this playful, colorful sketch of an ocean scene, complete with a shark, a boat, divers, and sea creatures. We'll try two artistic styles. Prompt. Transform this child's ocean adventure, drawing into a vibrant cartoon-style illustration. Keep the characters fun and playful. Wow, this really looks like a page from a children's storybook. The shark has that perfect playful expression, and the colors are super vibrant. But what if we wanted something more realistic? Let's try that next. Prompt. Convert this drawing into a semi-realistic digital painting. Give the ocean depth and light reflections. Make the shark and divers more detailed, while keeping a whimsical vibe. Incredible! Now it feels like a painting you'd see in an animated movie. The lighting on the water is amazing, and the shark actually looks real. Next, we'll use this peaceful black and white sketch of a palm tree by the shore. We'll apply three very different styles to it. Style 1. Oil painting. Prompt. Turn this pencil beach sketch into a rich oil painting. Use bold brush strokes, vibrant textures, and warm sunset tones. This transformation is just stunning. The sunset tones, the texture of the brushstrokes, it genuinely looks like an oil painting hanging in a gallery. Now let's shift to something minimal and elegant, a style rooted in ancient Eastern art. Prompt. Transform this beach scene into a minimalist Japanese ink wash painting, Sumai-e. Use soft gray tones, subtle shading, and elegant composition. Very peaceful and meditative, the minimalism gives it a calming aesthetic. This would look beautiful as a wall scroll or a book illustration. And finally, what if we pushed realism to the max? Let's see how it looks as an ultra-realistic photograph. Prompt. Convert this pencil sketch of a palm tree on a beach into an ultra-realistic photograph. Add realistic lighting, detailed sand texture, and a tropical ocean view. This is mind-blowing. It actually looks like a real photo taken on a tropical beach. You'd never guess it started from a pencil sketch. With Sora, you're not limited to one style. Try realistic, lifelike lighting and textures, fantasy, magical colors, and dreamy lighting, anime/manga, bold lines and character-driven scenes, watercolor/oil/ink, classic art styles reimagined, photorealism, nearly indistinguishable from real photos. Just change the prompt and let the AI surprise you. The world of digital art is changing, and with tools like Sora, anyone can become a creator. Try uploading your own sketches, play with styles, and bring your imagination to life. And if you enjoyed this experiment, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Tech Vault Guide, and let us know in the comments which result was your favorite. The power to turn ideas into art is now just one click away. Let's create something incredible together.